Hoppa! First stop, sugar and spice for carbs, aka bread and fried bread, aka donuts and a loaf of bread to make our sandwiches for lunch.
We have our sustenance now. It is time for the most exciting part of the day.
Donuts.
It is good. It's similar to just a normal cinnamon sugar donut, but it's got a little more oomph, just a little more flavor.
It's almost like a little bit of a sourdough.
I can see that. Alright, now for the most exciting part of the day. We're getting some wheels today. Yeah, buddy. We got a rental car. We are going to some little canyon, swimming hole, water spot, and after that, we'll just keep watching. You'll find out where we're going, but I'm excited about both.
Turn it in.
I stand by you when you're falling, when the river is calling. I said I love you forever. We can make it together. What goes up?
I was a little too worried about getting music turned on and didn't take the proper turn.
Now we should go. Come on, let's just
go straight. We're on some pretty crappy roads. Google Maps shows it as just like a road, and they're rocky and not paved at all.
Have to hold on through the night, as long as we are watching the fire. We'll be safe from the devil's choir. I stand by you when you're falling, when the river is calling. I said I love you forever.
We have just arrived at Los Cangilones de Gualaca, and that is like a local watering hole. It's a little canyon area, comes from the Rio Este, and it looks absolutely gorgeous, even though we don't really know that much about it.
We just thought it would be like a nice, quiet Tuesday. It's Fat Tuesday, and it looks pretty deep. So,
we've seen people walking in hordes. There's a ton of people here.
Looks like there's going to be a lot of locals. We're going to get to experience the local scene of how they celebrate their holiday. Today is the last day of Carnival. It's amazing how much warmer it is here compared to Boquete. I mean, it's at least like a 15 degree difference.
For sure.
And we went maybe 20 miles.
Yeah. But let's go get in some water.
We're gonna go get in some water and jump off some cliffs.
This place. And this water temperature is the most perfect water temperature I think I've ever felt my entire life. I don't really ever remember a time of the ocean feeling this perfect temperature wise.
So Aaron, The judges gave you a 7.5 out of 10 on that second dive. Do you feel like that's an appropriate score?
I think we worked really hard at camp, and I'm very disappointed with the 7. I think that the forum proved that a 7.75 should have been the number that I got, but you know, we're just gonna work harder next season at camp, and we'll come back stronger and harder than ever.
You heard it here, folks. She feels cheated.
We got a few jumps in, and now it's time for some lunch. I'm gonna put together some caprese sandwiches with some jalapeno cheddar bread that we got from Sugar and Spice this morning. We just got finished with being in the water, doing all of our jumps, and Jordan got us a piece of chicken.
The barbecue chicken.
And we are gonna eat the chicken and head to the hot springs. Blue sky, tree, leaves, lots of leaves. The sun.
Hillburn hollers. I got him. Boom, 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 boom. God, this is where it ends.
Good Lord. It's beautiful though. We just went through some extremely rocky terrain to get to where we think the base of a little trail is to go up to the hot springs.
It wasn't that rocky.
It was very rocky.
I tried telling Aaron that we could have just driven the car all the way down. Yeah, that might have taken out the muffler.
You hike up to this private property up here, and you just give the owners $2 per person in order to get into the hot springs. Chica is bringing us our change.
Is that a me? Okay.
Muchas gracias.
Ciao.
Ciao. That first pull from the hot springs was a little bit awkward, so I didn't get much recorded on it. We're gonna go to the river now to cool down because it's freaking hot. Woo! Very refreshing. I think the $2 is well worth it just to come down to this river. It's gorgeous and it feels really good compared to the hot springs.
Today we did two things surrounded by water. One was a canyon and the other was a hot spring / river. I would have to say they were both pretty cool. Each in their own, both very cheap too. $2. This one was $2 a person, but fun. They look like teats.
If they were teats, that sucks. If they were balls, that sucks. What is that?
I don't know.
Oh. Are they udders?
Or udders.
Do females have horns?
Can anybody tell us?
Yeah, please in the comments below, let us know what's happening there.
Wow.
Today was truly a very successful day. We did exactly what we wanted to with renting the car. We got to go to the canyon and the watering hole, and then we got to come here to the hot springs. It was a little different than what I expected, but the river just made it absolutely perfect. So we're very happy. We just got back to the car, and I think we're gonna head into town, shower, and get some food, and call it a night.
Oh, this is not good.
Good job, baby. I'm very proud of you.
Did you think that was all right?
I mean, I don't think we need to tag the rental car people that we got it from in this vlog, but I'm impressed with you. You did a good job. And you kept your cool. Good job, baby.
I was that last little bit.
Yeah, I know.
I was like, this is not good.
No, it felt like we were four-wheeling in the Appalachian Mountains.
I think that smell might have just been burning rubber.
Yeah. Tonight we're taking you to our favorite restaurant here in Boquete. It's called Boquete Cafe by Big Food Grill. They grill out some amazing meats. They have fantastic sides. And you're getting ready to go see them. I got the cold glass, you did not. What the hell?
Patacones are smashed fried plantains, and they pretty much just taste like smashed fried potatoes. They're delicious with the salsa picante. The best salsa maybe of all time.
We just ordered dessert for the first time. We got some flans.
I honestly don't think I've ever had one.
It's good.
It's amazing. Caramely, vanilla custard dessert. It's fantastic.
So not that we only go there because it's cheap, but 2 beers, 2 entrees, and dessert for $17.75.
And it's fantastic, so just go there if you ever come to Boquete.
Yeah.
Trust us.
Yeah, and go to Boquete.
True.
Go to Panama. That's pretty
True.
cool.
Go to sleep. I will.
Sueños.
Lucas, look at what we found for you, buddy. It's a minion.
I really like my jump, but they show my bald spot under the water a lot.
Damn it, Jordan. Fantastic sides, and you're getting ready to go see them. Do I sound terrible?
No,
You just woke up and I sound a little upbeat, so you're mad about it?
And we're getting ready to go see them.